Hello guys, welcome to our Han Play Store. Today we are going to unbox Samsung F12. As you can see, I have bought this from Flipkart. This comes in three color: blue color, green color, and black color. I have bought blue color variant. Okay, so this is the phone, and you can see the description on the screen. Um, This phone comes under two variants, that is a 4 GB RAM and 64 GB memory inbuilt, and 6 GB RAM and 128 GB memory inbuilt. So I have bought 4 GB RAM. As you can see, it is blue color, and this cost me, okay, this cost around 11,000. And in the box you can see like there is a charger, that is a fast charger, and you can see like it is 15 watts charger, and along with they are giving a cable. I think that is a USB type C. So there are obviously no headphones for this price range, but at least they are giving us a fast charger, which is very good. And there is nothing in the box, as you can see. And see, this phone is a 90 hertz screen, so that's why I have just bought this. Actually, this phone is very much similar to Samsung M12, and you can see the back panel is quite good. It actually feels like it is glass, but if you see, it is a hard plastic, um, which you can feel, but you can't able to see. It seems like it is glass, but it is a plastic case, which is quite good. So let me boot this up. Okay, so the device has been booted up, and you can see that, like I just told you, it is 90 hertz display, but I can't feel that much smoothness. It is actually very average, and this is the latest smartphone from Samsung. And there are other phones which is old, actually, Samsung M12. You can see there are no similarities except the screen, the 90 hertz. So if you don't want that option, you can just obviously go for M12. That is also very much good, and even 1000 rupees lesser than this. And you can just see that this comes with Android 11 out of box, and it is smooth. Actually, the screen is very bright and good, so there is no worry about that. And even I think this comes with the new software, Samsung MI UI 3.1. So overall guys, this phone is actually good. You can buy, but if you don't want that 90 hertz screen, you can go for M12. Thank you.